Hi guys, it's Parmesan Tom here, and today we're going to be making buffalo battered cauliflower bites. So let's get right into it. For ingredients, you will need 1 cup of flour, 1 egg, half a cup of water, half a cup of Parmesan cheese, salt and pepper, half a tablespoon of minced onion, half a tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of paprika, and of course, 1 head of cauliflower. And for our buffalo sauce, which I'll show you how to make later in the video, you will need a hot sauce of your choice. I used half a cup of Frank's Red Hot, 2 tablespoons of butter, and 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. Now for the prep. First, take your cup of flour and dump that into your mixing bowl. Add an egg, add your half cup of water, and then begin to mix. Now we can add our additional spices and cheese. This includes our Parmesan cheese, minced garlic, minced onion, salt and pepper, and paprika. Now mix those together and we've created our batter. Now you can see I have my pan ready with non-stick spray, and I'm going to begin dipping the cauliflower into the batter. Make sure to get all the sides of the cauliflower and then add those directly to your pan. When done, we will put these in the oven to bake at 425 for 15 minutes. While those are baking, we can make our buffalo sauce. Add your 2 tablespoons of butter to your saucepan to melt the butter, and then add your hot sauce of choice. We will mix these two together and then add our 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. Now we wait for the cauliflower to be done baking. Alright, so now we have our cauliflower out of the oven, and we are going to take our cauliflower and mix in our hot sauce to each piece of cauliflower. I recommend using a mixing bowl and doing a few pieces at a time. Now when you're finished, these will go back into the oven for an additional 10 minutes at 425 or until they look nice and crisp. Finally, take your cauliflower out of the oven and you can begin plating them. I added a nice ranch dressing from my fridge to complement the buffalo sauce, but feel free to use whatever you prefer. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video and want more great recipes like this one, smash my logo on screen right now and become a subscriber. And if you want notifications of my next upload, don't forget to hit the bell icon down below. Thanks again for your support, and I hope you have a great day.